We're gonna put this $100 TEMU Supercharger on my $300 Miata drift car. Did we just blow up the motor? If you're unfamiliar with TEMU, it's when you order your Wish.com from Wish.com. So it's even cheaper junk straight from China. We have plastic intake and the rotors are plastic as well. But I'm hoping we blast at least like 10 more horsepower out of this thing. The drift car's fun, but it definitely needs more power.
When it's spinning clockwise, this is our exit. We'll just stick it right here like that.
It's gonna look good. Hopefully it'll sound good.
The noise is insane.
We can easily bolt to this motor mount or this motor lift bracket. I kept getting ads for this thing and finally one day I was just like, screw it. What's the worst that could happen? Did we just blow up the motor? We do have a boost gauge, so will it build any boost?
Whew. I think we'll build a 1.5 pounds. That's my...
1.5 pounds. I think I'm going for the fences. I'm gonna go 5 PSI.
That would be lunacy.
We'll just get a longer belt and we'll still have power steering. It looks good. I look over and Gavin's chopping through the frame rail of the car. What's going on here?
Don't worry about this. This old guy? Don't worry about this old guy.
I think you're chopping up the front of the car.
Yeah, we've got to make space for this friggin' tank-sized tensioner.
We have a supercharged Miata Exocar drift car. Now it's time for the first test drive. So we got the belt tensioner, actually keeping the belt pretty tight. Let's hear it. Oh my God! Oh my God. It technically works. It sounds horrendous. Oh, wait, do it more. Hey! That looked like 1 PSI! Let's take it for a drive! Our belt is on the edge of falling off.
Uh-oh.
It was on one rib.
I bet you it's our tensioner.
We're also pushing oil out of our oil cap. All right, we have a 4th supporting point for the supercharger, so hopefully the belt will stay on. Now it's time to try again.
Yeah, ain't nothing to it. I mean, our belt is way tighter now. Like, this thing is on there. Here goes nothing. The noise is insane.
It is deafening. Power steering still works. That's nice. You can definitely smell something like kind of burning.
Uh-oh.
Did we just blow up the motor? Something. It's...
Shockingly, the belt is still on.
The engine sounds horrible. Like, we definitely did something bad. It did feel a tiny bit quicker, honestly. I mean, I wasn't full throttling it, but I did get on it a little bit and it did feel quicker for 1 second.
Yeah, no.
I have a really bad feeling that we did something really bad.
All right, Dylan, what is the confidence factor here?
Not good, to be honest. I mean, it sounded really bad. I'm hoping that it's all right, but I don't have a lot of faith.
Any ideas?
It was a perfectly running car that we turned into a non-running car, which is our specialty.
It is kind of a theme on the channel.
I think we have to tow it home. I don't know.
Yeah.
Luckily, we're only 100 feet away.
Oh.
Something is for sure messed up. Not a healthy sounding engine. To drive it 100 yards with this fake supercharger to blow the motor would be ridiculous.
It's 100 feet. If you work it to a per foot ratio, it is $1 per foot.
Back in the shop, and our supercharger is definitely seized. Our $100 TEMU Supercharger lasted all of, I believe it was about 20 seconds from the garage to the street where it broke down. I just wanted a little more power, you guys. Can you blame me? We're supposed to go drifting in 2 days. Our compression measured 90, 130, 50, and 0. So we have blown our motor with the TEMU Supercharger. Shocking result. I'm sure everyone here is super surprised. Leave a comment. What should we do with this car? Should we LS swap it? If we get 100 comments saying yes, we'll do it.
Our actual gears seem like they're in pretty good shape. So the only thing that would make sense is our plastic rotors. It got so hot they melted together maybe.
And what just fell out of our supercharger?
This is what's currently inside of Dylan's motor everywhere. It's some sort of plastic composite. You can really see in there now, like it's just torn to pieces. I can't barely even turn it.
Of course, I wanted it to build boost. I wanted to make it the car faster. I didn't think it was actually going to. I definitely did not think we were going to blow up this motor. This is ridiculous. Please like and subscribe so we can afford to build a new engine. TEMU Supercharger destroyed my engine and my dreams. Now it's gotta pay! The last drift event of the year is in 2 days, and I need all the practice I can get. So we pulled the running motor out of the off-road car and threw it into the exo car. We did it! Heck yeah, dude!
Yes.
5-hour engine swap. I'm so bummed. Quick update on the original motor. Remember the plastic from the supercharger exploded? Here it is.
It went missing and we found it.
We found it. This one's a funny one. That was just a massive nugget. And then we got more in there.
See, what you want out of valves is for them to look different.
There's some science here. You don't want them to look like this. We don't have a heater or doors, but we do have a motor. I couldn't have said that 2 days ago, so I'm super pumped to go drifting today. It's 27 degrees, but it's gonna be a blast. Got to the track and the windshield is cleared off, but we have a hole in our coolant hose. Thankfully, we got some Flex Seal and we'll just patch it right up. We got the Flex Seal and some zip ties for safety. Let's fire it up. This first time ever in the drift car. Are you excited?
Not excited.
Fingers on the post, avocado and toast, leather seats, jet plane, always ready to go. Catch a suntan on the roof of the yacht, in-house elevator, take us up to the top. In my sweaty jacket, always bringing the magic. I got the top pulled down in my automatic, you know my everyday life. You got it like this, gotta make it ahead.
No. I feel sick. I hated it.
We weren't that close.
You were close one time. It just felt like you were going to crash right into it.
I had control.
I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry. I was following and I didn't even. I was fucking broke. So I waved you ahead and I just started following.
The old Frogger cart has had a rough couple weeks, but she'll be back in no time. Thank you guys for watching.